Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add an image to Gmail signature. So let's get into it. First of all, log into Gmail. In the top right of the screen, click Settings. In the Settings tab under the General Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the web page to the Signatures section to create a new Gmail signature. Tap Create New. Give your new Gmail signature a name. Tap Create. To insert an image to your Gmail signature, click on the image icon in the Signature Editor's toolbar and upload an image from your computer without using a URL, or you can add an image from the web via URL. Drag and drop or copy and paste the image to where you want to place it in your Gmail signature. If you're done here, scroll down to the bottom of the Settings tab and click the Save Changes button. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.